Hey, hope you're doing well. My name is Jay, and in this video, I want you to publish your first NPM package. Here you can see that I have a totally empty folder. There's nothing here. I have just my code editor with a name degree flipper, which is the name of my NPM package that I want to publish. The goal with this is just give the user some methods that they can use to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. And I'm talking about like weather, right? So first thing, make sure you have your code editor ready. And the second thing, go to your browser, go to npmjs.com and create an account, okay? Because you need an account, that way you can publish your package, right? So I'll go back to my code editor and I'm gonna start by doing a git init. So make sure you have some kind of version control, which is this is a good practice. Make sure you put this code, you push it into GitHub, Bitbucket, whatever you're using, all right? So I'm gonna do a git init, and then after that, I'm gonna do an npm init. And here's when you can, give your package some details. I already have that, so I'm gonna start just copy pasting some information. So the name is degree flipper, or it can be whatever you want. I'm gonna press enter. Let's leave the version as is, press enter. Description, I have a description here, so I'm just gonna copy paste all this. That's the description, press enter. Entry point index.js, yes. Test command, there's no test command for now. No git repository, you should add this after. No keywords for now, that's fine. License can be like that. Yes, okay. So now you can see your package JSON is here with all this information. You can edit this. It doesn't have to be now, but you should add all the important details here, okay? So now that you have that, create a file. So for me, it's the index.js. And here is where I'm going to add my code. So whatever I want the user to do. So I'm just gonna copy paste some code. I'm not gonna code here and letting you know what I'm doing, just because this is just how to publish your package. So you have to code your own stuff. So I'm just creating a class with two static methods, and you can see they're just like those functions that can take a number here and then do some math, and then it returns whatever depending on the number, right? Same thing here, but to Fahrenheit, it'll do the math and then return that specific number. That's all I want. And now here, all you have to do is module.exports equals to, and it can be degree flipper. Actually, this one says degree flipper 2. I was testing a version 2. But no, just degree flipper. That's what I want, okay? And that's my code. I'm gonna save this. And one thing you can do after you're happy with your code, you wanna test it, right? One thing you can do is do npm link. Press enter. And now you can go ahead and create another file, right? Or another folder, and then install your package. So I'm gonna do that right now. So here is an empty folder. So I'm gonna open this, as you can see, totally empty. I'm just gonna create like we can start by creating maybe a test.js. It can be whatever you want. I'm gonna do an npm init. All right, this can be just default. You don't have to add anything, we're just testing. And now that we're ready to install our package just to test it, you can do npm link and the name of your package, right? So the name of your package, it can be whatever. My package is degree flipper. This is the name right here. I'm gonna press enter. And you can see that it just installed that package. There's a node modules folder with the degree flipper with all the files in it. My package JSON. There's nothing because it's just test. But now we can go here and test it. So first, I'm going to create a variable, and then I'm going to require, and then the name of my package. Okay. Next, what we can do is kind of like a number of my degrees. So for example, this is just my weather, my current weather in Fahrenheit. And I want to convert this to Celsius. So you can see by using degree flipper and then the specific method that I have, and then passing my weather, which is 75 right now, which is the number. And then I can console log it. So I'm just going to console log it here. I'm going to save that. Let's see if that works. So I'm going to do node test.js. And there you go, 23.88889. All right. So what I can do to test this, I'll just go to Google right here very quick. And you can see Fahrenheit, my 75, so 75. And you can see 23.8889, which is what it is. Of course, it's giving you more numbers, so you should, make sure you get your code in a better place. I have to go back to my package and make it a lot better, but it's working and the number is correct. All right, so now that you're happy, I'm just gonna close this test. I'm happy with my package. I want to publish my package now. So make sure you are logged in NPM, or you can log in by doing NPM login, right? So I'm going to press enter. It's going to say, it's going to open the browser. So press enter. So I skipped the whole process of logging in because I don't want to bore you with that or share any sensitive data, but it's just a regular login. If maybe you have two-factor authentication, you have to do that. So after you're logged in here, go back to your code, and you're gonna see here, logged in, right here, right? So now that we're logged in, what we can do is npm publish. Press enter. All right, so now what it's saying is that I cannot publish the same version. I already published this version, so I'm gonna go back to package.json here. And I'm just gonna do 1.0.0.1. It's gonna save it. Let's try again. We'll see if that works. npm publish. Here we go. So now, degree flipper, publishing, everything looks good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go now to the npm and let's see if it shows right there. So go back there. I'm gonna go to my packages right here. And here we go. We have degree flipper. Let me click on it. And that's it. We have a package. It's public. Of course, there's a lot to be done here. There's no description right now. So I need to add a README file to make sure people can go there, read, make sure understand the package. But you can see that they give you npm I degree flipper. Let's actually test this to make sure that works. I'm just gonna copy. And I'm gonna go to the same test file that I had. Where is it? Somewhere here. There we go. So I'm just gonna go here. I'm going to just remove these node modules. I'm gonna remove package.json too. Let's do it again, like it's just a new project. So npm init. I'm gonna do -y just to skip the whole process. Now we have a package.json here, and I'm gonna do this. npm I degree flipper, and here you go. In the npm package dependencies degree flipper. This is the version, which is the correct one, and we have a package. I'm gonna remove this package from the npm, and just because it's like a test, I need to make sure I am publishing like a very good package out there, something similar, but well done. This is just a quick test with some quick code, making sure it works and showing you that you can do it, and it's very simple. Subscribe if you want to keep learning, and click on the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.